You know that cozy smell of a clean house that feels like a warm grandma hug? Well, there's an old secret behind that, something way deeper than just a nice scent. It's something our grandmas used to do, long before science came around to prove it actually works, boiling a special leaf that turns your home's air into pure calm and even helps your health. But hold on, I won't tell you what it is just yet. First, think about this, those days when your nose feels like it's stuffed with concrete, your head's heavy, your body tired, and your brain racing non-stop? Yeah, we all know that feeling. And usually, we run for meds, teas, anything that brings relief. But there's this one simple, natural, amazing trick that helps you breathe better, chill out, and even cut down stress, all with just the steam from a boiling pot. And guess what? It's not just an old wives' tale. Science has backed it up. What used to be grandma's tradition is now officially recognized as something genuinely good for you. Picture this, you set a pot on the stove, toss in a few green leaves, and as the water starts boiling, the scent fills the air. That fresh, minty smell clears your head, opens your lungs, and suddenly the stress just melts away. Curious yet? Alright, it's eucalyptus. Herb. Yep, the same eucalyptus you see in gardens, teas, and ointments can also be used to freshen your home, and it does so much more than just smell nice. Eucalyptus is actually listed in Brazil's official medicinal plant registry, recognized by health authorities for its proven effects. Here's what it does. The steam helps clear your airways, great for colds, flu, or mild allergies. It's like free aromatherapy, no chemicals, no side effects, just nature doing its thing. And science says eucalyptus oil also has antimicrobial powers, keeping the air cleaner. Plus, it's full of antioxidants that protect your cells and boost your energy. So while your home smells amazing, your body's thanking you too. Want to try it? Easy. Add a few fresh eucalyptus leaves to a pot of water, bring it to a boil, and let the steam spread through the room. Close the windows for a few minutes, take a deep breath, and feel the calm. It's wild how something so simple can shift the entire mood of your space, and your mind. So next time you're stressed or stuffed up, remember this timeless trick, boil some eucalyptus. Because sometimes, the best cure is straight from nature, and from grandma's wisdom.